彼は会議に来ますか？
Is he coming to the meeting? Is he coming to the meeting?
彼は今頃は来ているはずですが？
He should be here by now. He should be here by now.
彼に電話します。
I'll call him. I'll call him.
今日会議があるのを知ってましたか？
Did you know we have a meeting today? Did you know we have a meeting today?
はい、今向かっています。
Yes, I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
すみません、遅れます。
Sorry, I'm going to be late. Sorry, I'm going to be late.
交通渋滞がひどいです。
The traffic is terrible. The traffic is terrible.
私抜きで会議を始めてください。
Please start the meeting without me. Please start the meeting without me.
この会話に関する質問に英語で答えてください。
Did he know about the meeting? Yes, he did. Why is he going to be late for the meeting? Because the traffic is terrible.
雨が激しく降っています。
It's raining so hard. It's raining so hard.
風がすごく強くなってきてますね。
The wind is getting really strong. The wind is getting really strong.
何か飛んできて目に入った。
Something flew in my eye. Something flew in my eye.
台風が直撃しようとしているとのことです。
They say a typhoon is about to hit. They say a typhoon is about to hit.
今日の午後はゴルフの練習があります。
I have golf practice this afternoon. I have golf practice this afternoon.
私があなたなら練習をキャンセルしますよ。
I would cancel the practice if I were you. I would cancel the practice if I were you.
この会話に関する質問に英語で答えてください。
Do you think the rain will let up soon? No, I don't think so.
日本語を英訳してください。私は今ここを出るところです。
I'm about to leave here.
もし私があなただったら、そのテストを受けます。
I would take the test if I were you.
みりんを加えます。
I'm going to add some mirin. I'm going to add some mirin.
みりんって何ですか？
What's mirin? What's mirin?
みりんは料理用の酒です。
It's cooking sake. It's cooking sake.
みりんと酒の違いは何ですか？
What's the difference between mirin and sake? What's the difference between mirin and sake?
みりんにはもっと砂糖が入っています。
Mirin has more sugar. Mirin has more sugar.
みりんは飲めるんですか？
Can you drink mirin? Can you drink mirin?
はい、でも飲み物ではないですよ。
Yes, but it's not for drinking. Yes, but it's not for drinking.
すごく甘いですよ。
It's very sweet. It's very sweet.
この会話に関する質問に英語で答えてください。
Would you drink mirin? No, I wouldn't. Mirin is too sweet to drink.
日本語を英訳してください。このバッグとあのバッグの違いは何ですか？
What's the difference between this bag and that bag?